today we are going to be creating a background, a personalized background. As you can see, right now my desktop, except for this stuff over here, my desktop is pretty organized for the first time. I have my work stuff. It says school. I'm a teacher, as you know. I have my personal items, like my son's newborn pictures, and I have my professional items, like my certifications and resumes and stuff like that. I use my Facebook avatar as well as some clip arts to represent me and my life. So first we're going to start with a new Keynote presentation. If you want, you can use PowerPoint, but I have a Mac, so I automatically use Keynote. Once you open your new presentation, you are going to add a blank slide. I like to simply add a blank slide, but if you want to, you can just delete whatever on that first slide and keep it moving. So once we add our slide, I'm going to zoom out to make sure that I can see the entire screen. And then I'm going to add however many columns or sections you want to have for your organized background. And I'm going to use these little curved rectangles or rounded rectangles. I'm going to add one right here. Another one. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to copy and paste this one. I'm going to do one more. Alright, I'm going to spread them out to fit whatever size I want them to be. And just like that. Now, what I'm going to do now is select my colors, and I'm going to do make one for my husband. So I'm going to use purple and gold for his fraternity. And I'm going to add a border. Now, these steps might be a little bit different using PowerPoint, but I'm sure you're capable of doing the exact same things as I'm doing. I do like to add a little extra, like using a drop shadow and a reflection, just to make it that much neater. And then I'm going to make this one purple. I'm going to go find the color. That'll do. Add a border. And then I'm going to make this one like a gray color. And add my little border. Alright, now I'm going to add a reflection to each one. Now I'm going to bring this one to the front so it won't be blocked. Now I'm going to add a text box so I can label each one. This will maybe work. Oops, typo. Add a cute little font to it. If you're like me, you probably have like 1,000 different fonts loaded to your computer. So don't mind me as I choose these. Make it big enough so you can see it. I like using white text because it pops. I'm just going to copy that so I won't have to choose the font again. I'm going to change the title. And do it again. Let's see, what else was it for the personal? And what did I put? That's fine. Alright, so I'm going to move this up a little. So I want it to be kind of organized. Don't want it to be too small. Okay. And so basically, once I do this, I'm going to add different clip art images to represent him. So I'm going to put a dog. Don't like any of those. Let's do some sports. Let's see. I don't like any of these. Okay, so he likes music, so we'll put a little stereo here. And we're going to kind of liven it up a bit. I think on mine I use computer monitors because I teach technology. But we're going to give him some little stereos. Give them a little color. And then do a border. I want this one to be a straight line. Smaller. And I'm going to add a music note. Next to it, kind of intertwine. Border. And also you don't have to deal with a white background. You can change your background. Like I can change this to gray or whatever color I choose. I can do a gradient fill with a mixture of color, whatever I want to do. Now, since I don't have my husband's avatar on my computer, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to airdrop his avatar from my text messages. I'm going to use one that he sent. I'm going to actually use his Memoji. I'm going to try to, let's see. Maybe I won't be able to. We're going to see though. So I just got a picture of it. And you can use more than one, but because of the fact that I am trying to make this video quick, I'm only going to use one. And I'm going to show you how to actually crop it. So I just airdropped it to my computer. I'm going to save it to my downloads so I can easily just drag and drop it onto my screen. So this is my screenshot that I just took. I am going to crop it. I'm going to crop as much of it as possible so that when I edit out the background, it'll be kind of easy. So now I'm going to go to image, click on instant alpha, and what instant alpha does is it deletes any color that you do not want to be present. So, and I see if I zoom in, it's a little more white right here. So I can get that deleted. Alright, so now, after that, I'm going to make this one smaller because he shouldn't be having that much fun. And put this right here. And I'll put them right here. So, that's basically the gist of it. You can personalize it even more, of course, and more clip art, whatever it is that you may like. This was just a simple version, small tutorial for you all to get the gist of it. So I hope you all enjoyed learning how to create it. Now we are going to export it and see how it looks on our wallpaper. So we're going to export it to a image, and I'm not for certain if PowerPoint allows you to do the same. If it does not, you can always screenshot your desktop or your screen. I'm going to save page 2, and the title is I might actually change this for him because he's going to be using my laptop tomorrow. So, and now when I go to my preferences, I am going to go to my desktop and screensaver, and then I'm going to press the plus sign, and I'm going to find what I just saved, which y'all don't judge me. I know I got a lot of stuff on my computer, but it's right here, and I'm going to click choose, and there we have it. There it is. Now, of course, my files aren't going to be matching his, but that's it. Hope you all enjoyed it.